Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's discussion on one of the most sought-after topics in the realm of human connections, the secret to a lasting, fulfilling relationship. As we navigate the complexities of life, finding and nurturing a bond that stands the test of time can seem like a daunting task. However, through years of research, observation, and personal experiences, I have identified 4 fundamental pillars that can pave the way for an unbreakable partnership. These pillars are not mere clichés or temporary fixes, they are deeply rooted in the essence of what makes a relationship thrive. So, let us embark on this journey together, and uncover the timeless secrets that will ensure your love story never reaches its final chapter. Pillar 1: Unwavering Commitment. The first and foremost pillar of an unbreakable relationship is an unwavering commitment. Love, at its core, is a choice, a conscious decision to prioritize and nurture your connection, even when the initial spark begins to fade or challenges arise. True commitment goes beyond the fleeting emotions of infatuation, it is a steadfast dedication to weather any storm, hand in hand, with your partner. Commitment manifests itself in various forms. It is the willingness to have difficult conversations, to address conflicts head-on, and to work through disagreements with empathy and understanding. It is the courage to put your partner's needs before your own, to compromise when necessary, and to make sacrifices for the greater good of the relationship. Moreover, commitment is a shared responsibility. It requires both partners to be fully invested, to communicate openly and honestly, and to continuously reaffirm their devotion to one another. When both individuals embrace this level of commitment, their bond becomes an unbreakable force, capable of withstanding even the most formidable obstacles. Pillar 2: Profound Respect and Admiration. The second pillar that fortifies an unbreakable relationship is profound respect and admiration for one another. Respect is the foundation upon which love flourishes, and without it, even the most passionate connections can crumble. Respect manifests itself in the way you speak to your partner, the way you honor their boundaries, and the way you value their opinions and perspectives. It is the acknowledgement that your partner is a unique individual, with their own dreams, aspirations, and vulnerabilities, deserving of your utmost consideration and support. Admiration, on the other hand, is the recognition and appreciation of your partner's strengths, accomplishments, and qualities that make them extraordinary. It is the ability to see beyond their flaws and celebrate their victories, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. When respect and admiration coexist in a relationship, they create an environment of trust, understanding, and mutual appreciation. Partners feel valued, cherished, and supported, fostering a sense of emotional safety and intimacy that strengthens their bond. Pillar 3: Unwavering Trust and Transparency. The third pillar of an unbreakable relationship is unwavering trust and transparency. Trust is the bedrock upon which all healthy relationships are built, and without it, even the strongest foundations can crumble. Trust is cultivated through consistent actions, open communication, and a willingness to be vulnerable with your partner. It is the assurance that your partner will always have your best interests at heart, that they will be faithful and loyal, and that they will never intentionally betray your confidence. Transparency, hand in hand with trust, is the willingness to be open and honest about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It is the courage to share your deepest fears, hopes, and dreams without fear of judgment or rejection. When trust and transparency are present in a relationship, partners can navigate even the most turbulent of waters with confidence and security. They can rely on each other's unwavering support, knowing that their bond is built on a foundation of honesty and mutual respect. Pillar 4: Continuous Growth and Evolution. The fourth and final pillar of an unbreakable relationship is continuous growth and evolution. Relationships are not static entities, they are living, breathing entities that require nurturing, adaptation, and a willingness to evolve alongside one another. Growth can take many forms: personal, professional, emotional, or spiritual. It is the acknowledgement that both partners are on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement, and that their relationship should serve as a catalyst for their individual and collective growth. Evolution, on the other hand, is the ability to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of life. As circumstances shift, as priorities shift, and as individual needs evolve, an unbreakable relationship must be flexible enough to accommodate these changes while remaining rooted in its core values and principles. When couples embrace continuous growth and evolution, they embark on a journey of lifelong learning and discovery. They challenge each other to step out of their comfort zones, to explore new horizons, and to support one another's dreams and aspirations. This constant evolution keeps their relationship fresh, exciting, and ever-evolving, ensuring that their bond never stagnates or becomes complacent. Conclusion. In conclusion, the path to an unbreakable relationship is paved with unwavering commitment, profound respect and admiration, unwavering trust and transparency, and continuous growth and evolution. These four pillars, when embraced wholeheartedly, create a solid foundation upon which a love story can be written, one that transcends the fleeting moments of passion and withstands the tests of time. Remember, relationships are not meant to be static or stagnant, they are living, breathing entities that require constant nurturing, communication, and a willingness to adapt and evolve alongside one another. By embracing these four pillars, you and your partner will embark on a journey of love, growth, and unbreakable bonds that will forever enrich your lives. So, my dear friends, as you leave this gathering today, carry with you the knowledge and wisdom imparted, and let it guide you on your own path to an unbreakable partnership. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the triumphs, and never lose sight of the love that brought you together in the first place. For when two hearts are truly committed, respecting, trusting, and evolving, their bond becomes an unbreakable force, capable of withstanding the tides of time and emerging triumphant, forever united in love's eternal embrace.